To clean the steam wand after using it, wipe it down thoroughly with a damp cloth and lower to purge automatically. This prevents burnt milk from forming on the outside and should be done after every use, including in between a single coffee-making session. If any holes on the steam wand become blocked, this should be cleaned using the steam tip cleaning tool, as even partially blocked holes may affect the performance of the steam wand. If the steam wand remains blocked, remove the tip, making sure not to unscrew anything but the metal tip itself. Then, add the provided steam wand cleaning powder to an empty jug with 240 milliliters of hot water. Remove the steam tip and place it with the steam wand into the jug to soak for 20 minutes. Then, clean, rinse, and replace the steam tip. Fill the milk jug with fresh water to just beneath the spout mark. Place the wand back into the milk jug and activate steam for 10 seconds. Then, allow to soak for 5 minutes. Purge the steam wand a few times, then wipe the steam wand dry with a damp cloth and rinse the jug thoroughly.